Dang, these curls are so bouncy. Now, earlier this week, I shared with you all some hairstyles that you can do. Want some inspiration for a wedding or just spring inspired hairstyles? Check out my previous video on my channel and you can see that. Click my name. Today's wig comes from Klaiyi hair. I will have it linked. This is one of their best-selling wigs on the website right now. This is a pre-everything wig. As you can see, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, really small knots. This is what the cap construction looked like on a 13x4. Sliding this on, I am going to go glueless today. Use the adjustable strap in the back. Tighten it up so that I can get a secure fit. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. Dark brown with some beautiful highlights. It's not black. They do provide tape on the sides. Remove the paper and then stick it down. Now with this, you can part it on the sides if you want a side part. I'm not doing a side part today. I'm gonna take a bit of my foundation and apply it in the parting to cover those knots. Just go straight down the parting. Hair wax stick and just smooth everything down. Already, this is so pretty. I really like this wig a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover the front knots with a little bit of foundation powder. Let me know in the comment section, do y'all still bleach your knots? Because I haven't bleached knots in a while. I don't feel like I have to anymore, but sometimes when I'm doing this here with the powder, I'm like, that can easily be touched with a little bit of hair bleach and I won't have to do it again. The knots will be fully covered. And that tape is holding pretty well. I do like this style, it's pretty, especially for spring. Gives glam, as you can see, just pretty. And this is one of their best sellers right now on their website. You want it, you better get it, girl, because this is beautiful. This, I can see why it's selling out. This is gorgeous. The curls and everything is just fluffy. It's very fluffy and pretty. They did everything. I don't even have to do anything. Okay, so this is their chocolate brown color. It is suitable for spring, of course. If you're looking to just lighten up your hair bits, has nice highlights going through it. It comes in different lengths, of course. If you don't want it this long, you can get it shorter. All right, so right here, as you can see, the lace looks so good, y'all. But you can take like some melting spray. Because I already got the tape on there, it's solid, but you see how you have a little bit of that lace showing? Just spray some on your finger and just tap. And blend that on down. And I take the edge of this edge brush and just smush it. You can use a rat tail comb for this. Just press that lace down. Look at that. Look how it's blending now. So when I lift my head up, you don't even see it. And there you have it. It's so simple, so easy, straight out the box. This is really pretty. And as you can see now, it's blending very well. Look at that lace. You can also do an updo with this style, so you can pull it all up. My favorite updo is the clip, of course. So you can swoop it, and with the curls, all you have to do is just twist the hair, bring it up. I'm gonna add like this beautiful clip. Forgot where I got this from, but if I find one similar, I will link it in my description. Look at that. That's so pretty. If you want to, you can pull this over, get rid of that middle part and do the flip over method. Already like, this hair is gorgeous. So I will be sure to link this wig below in the description box. Be sure to check down there, and I'll see you all back in the next video.